experiences.
Start doing these stairs.
Yeah.
It's scary.
They're looking. Oh. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Everything's alright with a violet sky on my skin. Baby, I feel high with a violet sky on my skin.
So today we are in Vang Vieng and we're gonna go out and we're gonna do one of these package deals where you do a bit of kayaking, a bit of tubing, and then maybe something else like a lagoon as well. I think it cost roughly £16 per person for me and Chloe for like a half day sort of deal. And we managed to get like a little bit cheaper because there's like a group of 6 of us. So yeah, I think we're gonna have a great day today. And yeah, we're gonna get picked up at 9 AM and I think it's gonna finish roughly like 2:30, 3 PM. Yeah, well, I think we're gonna head back to the hotel and then we're gonna head out again to watch maybe some of the World Cup in one of the local Irish pubs as well, which would be really fun.
Action shot. Yeah, go on, get it over. Love it. Hey! I'm looking at the tiniest little screen on there. I'm hoping we're on it. Oh, nice. Woo! Is that good? Cheers, buddy. How cold is it? A bit nippy.
Bit.
Oh, lovely. Oh.
Stop it, that's horrible.
Oh my god.
That's my worst nightmare.
Hey, what the fuck, man? How am I supposed to do this? How did this have gone wrong?
That was like quite intense.
We need to get a picture of you guys. Right, get a formation.
Mate, this is.
Start doing these stairs.
Yeah.
It's scary.
Oh my, mate. Is it looking? Oh, mate.
Don't like it.
Oh my god. Right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's fucking mad.
You're gonna hurt your arm. You know what it's mainly because if you hurt yourself, I'm gonna be the one that has to be like, it's okay, you're alright.
Am I hurt? No.
You're not giving that a go, Tom?
No.
I'm gonna try that. It's less scary, I think.
You think?
Yeah. Not as high. Feet together.
Let me breathe deep, let me get away. There's no place else I'd rather be. Ooh, everything's alright with a falling sky. A falling sky on my skin.
Yeah. We capsized it.
Oh, it stinks! Oh my god! That smells so bad!